Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Pizza Hut app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Pizza Hut app. Once you do it, go ahead, tap on this create a Hut reward account. Go ahead, tap on this create a Hut reward. Now tap on this first name, last name, your email address. Now you will create a password for yourself. Once you're done, tap on this phone number option. Enter the phone number on this date of birth. Go ahead, add it, confirm, add in your zip code and then you will go ahead, type on the say send me offers, or if you do not want, you can simply uncheck that as well. And then you will tap on this I accept the terms of use. Once you're done adding your zip code and every information correctly, you will finally be able to tap on this create my account option, where you will be able to get signed up right there in your app like that. So make sure you enter all of your correct information and get signed up. So yeah guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.